Hi, my name is Frank Burtmills. I'm the Executive Chef for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Holdings. Many restaurants, bars, and pubs have been closed due to the rules and regulations of the pandemic. Today we're going to show you how simply you can meet those requirements to reopen and serve basic foods with the SW Series waffle oven, and we're using the BD model, which is the double waffle oven. Hi, we're going to do another unique sandwich on the waffle oven, and we're going to do a meatball calzone. And what it consists of is 3 meatballs sliced thin, about 4 ounces of spaghetti sauce, about 4 ounces of cheese, and a full tube of Pillsbury pizza dough or any other dough you choose to use rolled out thin. I have one laid out here. And it's very simple on how to do it. This is enough for 4 calzones. So what we're going to do is we just take a little sauce. And if you find lumps like that in there, take those out. It's just some flavor, but it would be great on spaghetti, but not in a calzone. And all we're going to do is spread that out. Then we're going to take the meatballs. And we're taking about 1 meatball, and as you can see, they're cut up. And we just set them in, and I'm only going to do this on one side because I'm going to fold the top over for this. Now we'll just put that there, very nice. And lastly, the cheese. And I'm using a full mozzarella, very flavorful, melts very quick and nicely. That's all we're going to do. That's how it works. So we're going to take one side and fold it over the other. And we're going to work the edges a little bit to make sure everything seals nicely. And so what we'll do is we'll roll the edges and get that nice and tight. It's like a regular calzone, only it's made on a waffle baker. There we go. There's your calzone. And the last thing I would do is just put a little tear to get any of the gases or steam that would form in there. And there you have it. That's it. Now we'll put it on the waffle unit. I'm going to go right on the waffle unit and close the top. And that's it. We'll let it go for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh yeah. Okay. There's the pizza calzone. Beautifully browned. I'm going to cut it now and you'll see the interior is just soft and wonderful. Look at that. Beautiful. That with little dunking sauce. What a great sandwich. Enjoy.